Hi guys, Margaret here. We're going to play page 16 in the Brown Book, number 42, Lightly Row. Before we get started, I just want to make sure that we focus on keeping our left hand fingers nice and curved like little rainbows, and we practice the F sharp tunnel. So the F sharp tunnel is when you have your first, second, and third finger down on the D string, in this example, but you have your fingers so nicely curved that you're able to play the A string without any hindrance. Your fingers aren't touching the A string. This is easier for cellos than it is for violins. So if you just make sure that your fingers are high and you practice it, you'll get it for sure. So for instance, if I'm going to play my F sharp note, I'm not going to move my hands and I'm going to play the A string. So I've created, I don't know if you can see it here, a beautiful tunnel so that you do not hit the other string. Practice going back and forth, F sharp, A, without moving those fingers. Okay? So when we play Lightly Row, before you even start the piece, you're going to start with your third finger F sharp tunnel down, because when you play the A, F sharp, you won't have to move at all. So let's play the whole thing together, starting from the beginning, and remember that our last note is 4 beats total. So when we play D, F sharp, A, we want to make sure that we come all the way back to the frog, D, 2, 3, 4, so that we can use our whole bow to its full capacity for that long, beautiful whole nut. So let's start at the beginning. We'll go a little bit slower. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4.